Alright, y'all, back at it again. This be your boy Eddie V843, aka Eddie Cool, and guess I got some free times on my hands. Free time. Do another show. And that's the things I want to talk about. You know, some old stuff, some new stuff. Got my notes and all that right here. First thing I want to talk about is this crazy thing that's been making news the past week about the stock market wanting a $7 billion bailout plan. Well, first of all, a bailout plan. Bailout is the act of trying to save somebody. And I mean, I got bills. I want somebody to bail me out. I mean, first of all, why you got these CEOs making like $145, $100 million? I mean, like taking it home in the pocket. And then you out here giving these people these loans that's not qualifying, and they can't pay them back, so now that leaves everybody stuck. And that hurts everybody, that hurts the economy. And it's like, why is this madness been going on? I mean, I don't know what's going on. I don't know if Bush just kind of like, you know, dirt under the rug and let everybody be in control of themselves instead of having a responsible individual oversee everything. You know, you got to have somebody overseeing everything, so all kind of shenanigans and all this other mess won't be going on. I mean, $700 billion, that's a lot of money. I mean, to bail somebody out with. I mean, and these overpaid CEOs, I mean, I'm pretty sure they doing a good job of what they do, but like bringing home like $100 million and stuff like that, I mean, athletes don't even pocket that much money. I mean, sometimes it's anywhere between, what, 5 to 10 million if you're good. And that's like over time period, like game checks and bonuses and stuff like that. But these overpaid CEOs, man, it's nuts. I mean, you know, and these banks ought to not give out these loans to people that's not qualified for it. Straight up. That's one out the way. Next is McCain's choice, Sarah Palin, how you want to pronounce it, for vice president. Yeah. I mean, I'm not one big talk about politics, but I'm going to talk about this one. And I mean, I just hope that in John McCain's mind of minds, I hope he's not trying to persuade female voters by picking Sarah Palin, however you pronounce it, as a vice president. I mean, you know, she's getting on these interviews and saying stuff like, you know, just because, you know, whatever part of Alaska she lived on, I guess she could look over the doggone sea and see Russia right over it, and I guess in her mind of minds, everything start clicking and clacking, and she start to figure out, oh, I could talk, you know, I think I'd be suitable, or I think I can handle the talk with foreign, you know, overseas people, foreigners about, you know, world leaders about foreign affairs. Alright, honey, I mean, I'm not one to put salt in anybody's game or doubt anybody, but thinking and doing is two different things. I mean, if you being confident and thinking you can talk to people, okay, honey, I ain't got no problem with it. But just because you live on a certain part of Alaska, you stand on a mountain and you can see the Russians over there, and you think you can talk foreign policies with them, I mean, that's a different thing. You got to sit down and talk to these people. I mean, you can't sit there and think you can do these things, and you know, I don't know, she want to come off as she can, but it's like, I think you kind of worded things wrong, honey, and I don't know, that's my pick on it. But I mean, I'm not one to put salt in anybody's game. I'm not here to talk about politics, because that's a sensitive subject. In my opinion on the economy, hell is tough on everybody. Look at everything between oil and gas and diapers and everything such and such. And what I do and how I deal with it, simple philosophy. If it's a necessity, and if I got to have it, I get it. If it's some more other BS that I really don't need, I don't get it. Because, you know, you got to, I mean, due to these dummies, what they did in the stock market and these big old overpaid CEOs and stuff like that, you know, ain't nobody hardly getting no raises nowadays. You know, and businesses are struggling nowadays. I'm talking about big businesses and small businesses. Everybody's struggling nowadays, and you know, it's just like, you know, you got to be frugal with things. You know, you got to learn how to spend your money. I mean, it's kind of like if you want to get a plane ticket to go home versus the heating bill, and it's just and it makes you choose, and it's putting a strain on everybody, you know. So I mean, through these trying times, we're gonna make it, and if we want to change, we're gonna have to get out there and vote. I ain't registered yet, but I got to go out there and register and get myself back up in it. But yep, that's all there is to it. I'm saying, if you got questions, you know, y'all know how to hit me up, send me a message, so forth and so such. This your boy Eddie Cool, and be cool. I'm out. Bye.